We've just acquired this Ford Focus. It is the ST TDCi, not an ST line, this is the ST-3. It's in lovely condition, beautiful colour, lots of extras. Got the rear privacy glass, full leather seats embossed with ST, they're Recaro sport seats. Beautiful condition. Larger rear diffuser with the park distance control. This does have a rear camera as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats. Start the car up. It's 89,331 miles. It's got cruise control, reverse camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, 3 gauges, heated seats, climate control, 6-speed gearbox. It's in lovely condition. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.